This video will cover how you can add editable custom fields to your data sources in Easy Insight. From the data source you want to add the custom field to, click on the Custom Fields tab. Next, click on the Add Custom Fields button. For this example, we're going to go ahead and add a brand to our Shopify products. We'll select Product ID because we're linking our custom field to the product ID within Shopify. Then we're going to specify that we want a label field. The purpose of the label field is to have a readable value that we're matching up to. The ID is going to be a number. That's not going to make sense to users. The title is going to be the name that makes sense. We'll go ahead and call this data source Product Custom Fields. Then we'll go ahead and add a text value, and we'll call it brand. We hit create, and a second later we get an editable report that allows us to put in a brand value. So we'll go ahead and call it sample brand 1. That field is now available for use in other reports. We can also customize the predefined values to make it a dropdown. To do that, we'll click on the green dropdown for brand, do Customize Predefined Values. We'll toggle it over to use a configured set of values. Add value. We'll have sample brand 1, sample brand 2, sample brand 3, and we'll leave a blank for unassigning. From here, you'll see that we can now go through and assign brands. And if we create our own fresh report, the field shows up under Product Custom Fields. We can choose brand. If we go ahead and open up products and choose title, you'll see that our assignments are there, and it's a field we can use like any other field. We can also go and add additional fields. So if we click on Home, go to Product Custom Fields, go to Configuration, and do Row Configuration, we could show a few more fields we could add. We could do Add Field, Add Measure. We'll go ahead and give it a measure of product cost. We'll go ahead and add a day field for product first sale date. And we'll go ahead and add one more grouping. We'll say product enabled, and we'll make this a checkbox. We'll save. And then if we go to our product custom, so if we go back now to Shopify, you'll see that there's a report called Product Custom Fields Editor. We can edit this, and we can add in the other fields we just created. So we can add in first sale date, we can add in product cost, and we can add in product enabled. We can then go through, assign date values, assign numeric values, and check checkboxes.